Hey, this is my very first prototype build. I sort of flew it once. It was kind of a disaster. All right, here goes a maiden. Well, that didn't last long. That was quick. Since lightened it up, weighs like 660 grams. Just a true servo wing. See how it flies. I need the parts out of it, so I'm going to crash it so I can, you know, do other things. This is really the maiden flight of this. Because last time like I said, I flew it for about 2 seconds before it hit the bush right there. So it's already like 200 times more flight than it's ever seen. Oh, and it's making good noises. Get some altitude and back out of the wind a little bit. Nice. That was a car. That was not the plane. I'm in sync right now. So let's see if I can get some lift coming off the hill. There's a little bit. Just gonna run back and forth. Part about slope soaring I just have loved is the in-your-face flying that you can do. You can't do it at the flying field because there's too many people around, and it's different. Alright, the lift is starting to die again, so I'm going to land it. It's about all the time I got today, but I didn't crash it like I was expecting yet. Now to do, well, yeah, see, my next version, I have a double layer on the leading edge to make it more stronger for all the bushes. That's pretty much how you land up here. Find a bush. Well, that was a good time. I may have to fix it and fly it again.